If your car was not totaled out or deemed a total loss in a car crash, get an independent evaluation of your car. I'm Harleen at Labrum Law. Take your car to your own trusted repair shop or dealership and get several repair estimates. Even if there does not appear to be a lot of visible property damage, make sure the mechanic checks the frame of your car. You would be surprised after a car crash how many cars built with modern technology look fine from the outside but have hidden damage or frame damage underneath. If you have questions, DM, text, or call Labrum Law.